In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Intelligence on iPhone 16e. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Apple Intelligence is going to be used as a personal assistant for any requests that you might have on your iPhone 16e or any other model. If you recently purchased an iPhone 16e, it should already be set up for you to use Apple Intelligence. To double check to see if Apple Intelligence is good to go, you just have to head over to the settings and access the category. If you still need to enable it, however, or you don't see this option here, then what you have to do is go into the general options inside of the settings, and inside of general, check to see if you have any software updates pending. It is incredibly important that you update to iOS 18, otherwise you will not have access to Apple Intelligence and other new features that have been released by Apple. So if you want to use Apple Intelligence, you need to be on iOS 18. As I've said before, most devices should already be updated, but if yours is not, then double check to see if you have a software update pending. With this done, once you have updated your device, you can go back into the settings, and now you will have access to Apple Intelligence and Siri. This is where you will be able to manage the usage of Apple Intelligence. The very first thing to do is to enable it. If it doesn't allow you to enable it right away, then you will have to change the region of your device to the US. Apple Intelligence is only primarily released for the United States, so if you are residing somewhere else, change the region of your device to the US and then you will be able to see the toggle to enable it. Once it has been enabled, you can now manage all of the other options. So you can customize the language, talk and type to Siri, allow Siri to unlock, change the voice, and so on. There's a lot of customization to do, and now all of the features of Apple Intelligence will be unlocked when you call to use it. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Apple Intelligence on iPhone 16e. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.